Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the rectangles in the sketching tab. You have to select the sketch, any plane in that, and the rectangles. There are some 5 type of rectangles available in the Solidworks which we can draw. The first one is the corner rectangle. It starts from the one corner and ends on the other corner diagonally. Remember that you can draw diagonally. Click on a one point and whenever you moves on and it draws diagonally. Whenever you click second time, it will finish on that again, and wherever you want, whatever dimensions you want, and again click and it will be finished. Thus next is the center rectangle. It starts from the center point and expands outward. It starts from the center point and expands outward like that. So wherever you want, you can just finish it and it will be drawn. The next one is the 3-point corner rectangle. We have to select the 3 point in order to draw these rectangle. Let's suppose the first point, the vertically second point, and whenever you move the cursor on the right side or the left side, it will start drawing on those dimensions, and whenever you click, it will be finalized. And the next type is the 3-point corner rectangle. One point, the second point, and center. It will expand centrally up to the position wherever you wanna hold that. And the next one is the parallelogram. Clicking on the first point of the parallelogram, second point of the parallelogram, and just see that this is the flexible portion of the rectangle. In the other portions, the other portion was the straight one. In this case, it's a flexible at an angle. Whatever angle you want, you click on that and it will be drawn parallelogram.